Hi, welcome to Peppy Sage. I have seen that most of you, like 99% of you watching me here on YouTube, have not subscribed to my channel. So that's a great setback for me because when you subscribe to my channel, it gives me more and more motivation to bring such beautiful videos for you. What is this lipstick called? Cinnamon Chai. Oh my god, everybody in the town is talking about Cinnamon Chai from Iba Cosmetics. Yes guys, Iba Cosmetics is making a noise in the Indian cosmetic market because it has came up with a halal certified lipstick and all their makeup range. So today I'm talking about their matte lipstick which is in the shade Cinnamon Chai, which is M15. So the outer packaging looks like this. It's a cardboard packaging with a gold and black detailing. And what they have mentioned in their packaging is it is a halal certified lipstick. Along with that, it is cruelty free and vegan. So tell me, doesn't that excite you? So now let's come with the inner packaging, which is the main one. So that's a plastic packaging with rose gold detailing, and this is quite sturdy. It closes with a click so that it's securely kept in your purse. So Cinnamon Chai, the stick looks like this. Is a universal color. It's a nude color which goes on every Indian skin complexion. No matter how dark you are, how fair you are, this is going to work really well on you. So now let me tell you about the price of the lipstick. This retails for rupees 350 in Nykaa. You might get a discount over there. I think I have bought it with a little less money because some discount was there at that time, so you might get your hands into that. It is my habit to smell a lipstick, whatever I put on my lips or on my face. If that smell is very bothering, I just cannot use this. So let me explain to you that yeah, it has some smell. It's kind of a vanilla chocolatey smell, but I think it is not overpowering, and it really does not stay on your lips. Like after 10 minutes you cannot sense it anymore. It goes, it evaporates, it does not stay on your lips, the smell. So I think it's not going to bother you, but yes, it has some vanilla chocolatey kind of a smell. So if I talk about the color, this is a brown nude. That is why it is going to suit all Indian skin complexion, even other skin complexions. So now let me tell you the concern which I feel about this lipstick, that when you apply it on your lips, it is not that smooth. I mean to say, the formulation is little grainy. On my lips, it feels little grainy. It's not that smooth like a Maybelline or a L'Oreal lipstick in that matter. I can understand it's a matte formulation, but the formula could have been little more creamier on that side. Like the particle should have been little more finer, you know what I mean to say. So that's what I feel. I might switch to other matte nude colors from L'Oreal or Maybelline if I'm not using this, just because of this point that it is little grainy on my lips. It is not buttery smooth. And if you are worrying if it is transfer proof, no, it is not transfer proof. It transfers to everything and anything which touches your lips. So you must have to carry this in your purse, because you have to keep reapplying it every 2 to 3 hours, because if we are wearing mask when we are going outside, or if we are eating or drinking, it's going to transfer. So better we keep it in our purse. From the price perspective, it's a very nice shade, as well as the formulation is good. Everything is good irrespective of that sandy little not so fine composition. So I hope you liked my review. If you liked, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.